Hey guys, I'm back. Another video. I ordered a typewriter keyboard from TikTok Shop. It is that MK Storm Meiji. I don't know what that is, but it is the typewriter keyboard, and I've been seeing these on TikTok. It's cute. It's a coral pink. It is wired, so I'm gonna look for another one, wireless. But for now, oh, this is a cute mouse. I just wanna for this one. This one just came with my work computer here. Oh man, so let's see. Let's see if I can get it so you guys can see. Here it is. Oh, this is cute. I like this. Let's see, is it up? Nope. I'm gonna set this up. And then it comes right here. Yeah, here we go this way. So this is here. So I'm gonna take this out the way. Put this up. I'll put this up. So this is my other laptop here. This is cute. I like this. So now let's do a test. Let me see. And I'm at work, guys. I am at work. I replied to a couple of people this morning. I am. Yeah, and I bought these. This is my work setup. I've been seeing on TikTok, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this for something else, but I'm in a checklist here. So I had to type in. Let's see. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, it's gonna distract me all day. Oh, I like this, y'all. My dog over in the background. Oh yeah, I like this. Y'all see this? Look at this. Let me lower this so you can see how this just turns. Let me see. Just keep going. You see this? This keyboard is cute. Oh, I'm gonna tell my daughter. Yeah, ignore him. I'm gonna have to tell my daughter to get her one of these. Then the mouse change colors. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I like this. Let me see. Big. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is definitely worth that 2 week work, y'all. It was I ordered. I got a message. Hold on. Shut up. I received a message saying my device has shipped. It was internationally. It looks like it came through China. I don't care. I love it, and it was definitely worth the wait. So now I can type and be petty, send my messages, and yeah. So TikTok Shop. I ordered this typewriter keyboard. As you can see, has just like a basic key. It's a basic. Get back. It's a basic keyboard. It has a backlight there, and it does like the light travels from one side to the next. The keys are raised. You can see that. I love this. And the only thing I had to do was literally plug them into it was nothing to install, of course, because it's not wireless. If you had the wireless one, it would have given you the little USBs to put in your docking station or your computer. This computer has the USB ports, but this one is a newer one. I was so disappointed when I did not see the USB ports. But yeah, so I would definitely. I like this. Oh, let me see if this works, because on my computer I can't do. Let me see. I can't screenshot certain things. Let me do it over here. Let's see if I do it over here. Oh, it's Windows, Shift, and S. So this don't work. it's not gonna work over here. Let me see. Window shifting this. How am I gonna, let me see, print screen? Why is my print screen not working? So I can't print screen. Let me see about this, if I print screen. So my print screen not gonna work on this, so I can still do it this way. I don't wanna do it like that. Okay, let me see. I gotta figure this out, y'all. Cause some stuff I need to be able to screenshot in this Windows Shift S. Let me see. If I paste it here. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's doing it. No, that's the print screen. Okay, so the print screen works. Let me see. I'm gonna do print screen again. Print screen. Okay, maybe that's it. That's not what I want though. I want just this one. Windows Shift and S, so it's not working on here. Let me see. Control V. It's not what I want, but hey, I'll take the win on this one. I like this though. See y'all? So you get a beautiful keyboard. Same keys. It's a Magigi or Meiji brand. It's heavy. It's like a little heavy. So yeah, and then got everything there.